What is data? Data is a collection of facts collected for a purpose. It includes words, numbers, measurements, or observations. Data can be quantitative or qualitative. Quantitative data are measures of values and are expressed as numbers. The number of students in a school, the gallons of milk in a jug, and the percentage of graduating high school students going to college are all examples of quantitative data. Quantitative data can be discrete or continuous. Discrete data is quantitative data that can only take on certain numerical values. For example, if a person has 3 cars, this is an example of discrete data. The number of cars is fixed. It's not possible for them to have, say, 3.2 cars. Continuous data can take any value. It's not limited to fixed values and can vary over time. For example, the temperature during the day. Qualitative data, on the other hand, is descriptive and has to do with phenomenon which can be observed but not measured. There are 2 types of qualitative data, namely nominal and ordinal data. Nominal data can be named or labeled but do not provide any numerical value. For example, race, gender, and nationality. Ordinal data classifies data while introducing an order or ranking. For instance, measuring economic status using the hierarchy wealthy, middle income, or poor. Data can be collected from primary and secondary sources. Primary data refers to first-hand data gathered by the researcher himself through sources such as surveys and personal interviews. Secondary data is obtained from already published or unpublished sources. For example, the telephone number of a person taken from the telephone directory. Data can be used to describe a current phenomenon, provide solutions, or make predictions about the future.